What is the domain and range of the following graphs? Again, we're going to look for values for x and for y. So we're going to find our possible domain values, and we're going to find our possible range values. And here we have to make sure we use the correct notation. In this case, we're going to look for lowest and highest value for x, with x in the middle, and a lowest and highest value for y. We also know that in this case, everything here seems to be pretty solid, so we can go ahead and probably put in our signs less than or equal to, and less than and equal to, and so on, right? This is going to be the middle. This is going to be what you're looking at. The things we have at the end are going to be filled in with the lowest and highest possible values, right? The lowest and highest possible values for both the domain and the range values. We know the domain represents our x values, so we're going to look at the x number line specifically, and we're going to find the lowest possible value on this graph, which happens to be 0, and the highest possible point, which happens to be about 9.5. So 0 is my lowest, 9.5 is my largest. Now we look at the possible range values. The range values uses the y-axis as well, and it looks like the lowest possible value for y on this y number line looks like it's going to be right here at 0, and the highest possible, careful, it's not 10. It is not 10. It continues upward, doesn't it? Continues all the way upward to about here, which looks like about between 20 and 25, or 22.5. So somewhere between 0 and 22.5 is going to be my range value.